During World War II, a secret hospital was hidden somewhere inside these mountains. German forces searched for it. They never found it. And today, using an electric dirt bike, I'm going to try to find it. To find this secret hospital, I first need to get all the way down into this valley. And what's crazy is, this wasn't some little hidden cabin where they patched people up. This was an actual fully functioning hospital. Wounded soldiers recovered here, and they built all of this in complete secret back in 1943. The reason this place even existed was simple. Wounded fighters needed somewhere safe to be treated because getting caught basically meant death. So they picked a place that was almost impossible to reach. The only real way in was through the gorge itself, following the water, which means back then badly injured soldiers had to somehow be carried all the way in here, often during the night, and apparently some were even blindfolded, so even if they got captured later, they wouldn't be able to reveal where this place was, because this wasn't just some temporary setup either. This place kept growing until it became a full hidden hospital complex with multiple buildings, treatment rooms, sleeping areas, even its own hydroelectric power, and somehow, despite all the people, supplies, movement, everything, German forces never found it. Alright, I think this is it. This should be the entrance to the gorge where the hospital was hidden. This already looks sketchy. Back then, this path didn't even exist. Of course, the chain came off completely, and honestly, this is exactly why I didn't bring my DIY electric Honda for this, because if that thing ended up stuck down here, I'd be absolutely cooked. That bike is way too heavy to drag back out of a place like this. At least with this little pit bike, worst case, I can actually carry it. But looking at what's ahead anyway, riding was probably ending here no matter what. So I guess from this point, the search continues on foot. The only real way in was through the water. Guards literally placed stones in the stream and memorized which ones were safe to step on, so they could carry wounded soldiers through here at night without slipping or making too much noise. This hospital wasn't just hidden and hoping nobody would find it. It actually had its own military defense. Guards were here 24/7, and lookouts were positioned about 200 meters above the gorge, watching for enemy movement. If they spotted something, they would literally write a warning on paper, wrap it around a small stone with a bandage and drop it down to the hospital below, just a rock with a message. There were also actual defense bunkers built on both sides of the gorge, with machine gun positions ready if enemy soldiers got too close. And if things got really bad, they even had emergency shelters hidden in the rocks for wounded patients. What's crazy is the hospital was actually attacked twice. The first time in April 1944, the wounded had to be evacuated. Then in March 1945, enemy forces attacked again, and while the wounded were hiding in shelters, partisans defended the hospital from these bunkers.
Shit, man.
And honestly, standing here, you realize something. Just getting in and out of this place could kill you. Imagine carrying a badly injured person through terrain like this. And what's crazy is, even after surviving World War II, this place still had to fight nature. This gorge has been hit by multiple floods over the years, and one of the more recent ones actually destroyed parts of the access path, which honestly makes total sense looking at this. Everything is wet, slippery, unstable, and pushing further from here would just be stupid. So my journey ends here. But even though I can't safely make it all the way inside, I prepared some pictures so you can actually see what was hidden down here. And this is Partisan Hospital Franja, named after Dr. Franja, who took over management of the hospital during the war. What I found really interesting is that this place wasn't just treating local fighters. People from Italy, France, Poland, Russia, even 2 Americans ended up being treated here. And despite the war, nobody was turned away. There was also a small cultural life here. which sounds so strange to imagine in a hidden wartime hospital. They had singing, performances, even their own hospital bulletin to keep morale up, and when supplies started running low, Allied aircraft actually dropped aid to help keep this place running, a hidden hospital in a canyon with surgeries, international patients, and even airdropped support. If you guys want to see more hidden history places explored like this, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments where I should go next.